How to animate image in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to animate the image or photo that you want to edit on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Edits application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap onto this button at the bottom. Tap on it. Now from here, simply choose one photo that you would like to animate, just like this. Now tap on to the photo right here. Tap on it. Now scroll to your right onto this toolbar, and here you can find the effects option. Tap on it. And from here, simply choose one of the edits and effects, just like this. And now you can see it is now added. Now simply locate the one that you like the most and tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the image is animated. And that's it. This is how you can animate images into the Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.